morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, good morning, good morning. Who's on? Let's go. Good morning, Maribel. Good morning, Kevin. Annette, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's go. All right, so let me turn up these headphones real quick. And all right, perfect. Okay. All right. All right, perfect. So we saw a huge climb this morning. Look at this, 8:30 candle shot all the way up here, and now we are back to this 200. Okay, so I'll be honest with you. What I'm waiting for is I'm waiting for her to cross this 200. Okay, and my next entry would be at 36050. 36050 for a sell stop, and then we continue to fall. What's up, James? Okay, so let me do something here. Okay. Hope everybody's doing well. Okay. So I'm going to tell you where I'm looking for a sell stop here. 36050. All right. Okay, so this is where we're at. This is what we're looking at. We're looking at a sell stop at 36050. Okay, sell stop at 36050. And we're going to literally set that at 10 points. Okay, so we're going to go to about 38. Okay. Okay, and again, we're right on top of this here. So again, guys, like I really like to box this out. I really like to put her in a box, just like yesterday. We put her in a box and she literally broke through the box and she fell. Okay, so I like to really box this out. And this is where we're at. This is where we're at right here. Okay, this is where we're at. This is where we're at. All right. So once she breaks this box, it's bye Charlie, honestly. Okay. All right. How's everybody doing? How's everybody's week? How's everything going? Man, let's go. All right. Look at that. We're about to get in this trade. We're about 3 points outside. Boom. Let's go. We're about 7 points outside of that trade. We're just waiting for her to fall. There we go. We're in. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Let's go. Let's go. We're in profit. We're in profit. Let's go. We're in profit. Let's go. Let's get a bag. All right, we pulled back up. We're okay. Okay, so I'm going to tell you, we want to see this close below on the 1 minute. We close below on the 1 minute. We're golden. We're good. Let's go. All right. Okay, little pullback. We're okay. Little pullback. We're okay. Good morning, Kristen. Good morning. All right. So obviously, as you can see here, sell stop at 36050. Sell stop at 36050, guys. Okay. And then I'm going to set up really where my next entry is going to be. And we're going to be at the 36025. Okay, obviously a pull up. Obviously a pull up here. Okay. All right, we're trading on top of this. Like, guys, like, here's the deal. We had a huge drop. We had a huge drop this morning. So obviously she's gonna, try to pull back a little bit. She's gonna try to pull back a little bit. Let me brighten this up here. Let me choose a different color. Let's do blue. Let's do blue. Let's go a little bit darker here. All right. Perfect. Okay. This is simply where she's consolidating, guys. And what happens when she comes out of a consolidation is she makes a move. Okay. So if we can just be patient in a consolidation, boom, we catch a move. Okay. So we're about to catch a move right now. Let's go. We're in profit. We're in profit. Let's go. We got 53 seconds left on this candle. 53 seconds left on this candle. If she closes below, we're going to fall. Okay. All right. 39 seconds left on this candle. And again, we're looking at the 1 minute. Okay. Because 1 minute tells us, I don't know how to get notified. Okay. So if you go to my YouTube channel, there's a little kind of bell, and you click on that bell, and it's gonna notify you that I'm on. Okay. All right. So here's the deal. 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. She closes below in 16 seconds. She closes below this blue area. We're going to continue to fall. Okay. So obviously just a little pullback right now of about 13 points. We're okay. We got 3 seconds left in this candle. Let's go. Big drop, US30. Okay. And obviously what the 1 minute does is it tells us exactly where we're at right now. It tells us where we're at right now. Okay. The 5 minute kind of slows things down a little bit, kind of gives us a little bit bigger of a picture. And then obviously the 15 kind of gives us even a bigger picture. Okay. I don't like to go anything further than that unless I'm really looking at like, you know, really big zones, like day zones, like what did she do yesterday, things like that. Okay. So again, I like to kind of stay 1, 5, and 15. These are kind of my zones here. All right. But again, we want her, okay, because she's consolidating right here. This is consolidation. So 1 or 2 things are going to happen outside of consolidation. She's either going to bust out of consolidation to the top or to the bottom. Obviously, we're pushing on this level right here, which is this 200. We're looking to break this 200 and continue to the downside, okay? And on the 5 minute, it kind of shortens it up a little bit. Okay, you can see that she's respecting this 36.075. 36.075 has been respected, see, for the last half hour. Okay, for the last half hour roughly. Okay, for the last half hour roughly. Okay, so we're coming back to that zone now. We're about to break it. Okay, let's go to this minute. We got 40 seconds left on this minute candle. I want to see her break and close below. Actually, I'm going to move this down a little bit, okay? I'm going to move this down a little bit. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. Let's go. Let's go. 17 seconds left on this candle. 17 seconds left on this candle. Okay, we're in profit right now. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. We're just gonna keep going zone to zone. Okay. We are 1-0. Okay. Let's go. 3625, 36025, 36025 is our next entry. 36025 is our next entry. Okay, we got 22 seconds left on this candle. Okay, we just broke that. We broke this 5 minute as well, and this 15 minute. Okay, so we are below the 200 on the minute, the 5, and the 15. Okay, perfect. So we got 4 minutes left on this 12 minute, on this 15 minute candle. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this 5 minute candle, and then obviously we have 56 seconds left on this minute candle. So let's continue to drop. And we're going to go to our next zone. 45 seconds left on this candle. That played out perfect. Okay, 33 seconds left on this candle. Okay, 33 seconds left on this candle. 23 seconds left. Okay. She came back into this zone. Okay. So if you did not get in, 36.050 was our entry. Okay. She's pulling up. Not a big deal. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Give me a big drop, US30. All right, come on. She pulled up about 20 points on us. We're okay. 2 minutes left on this candle. Okay, let's go. Let's fall. Come on, US30. Let's get a big drop. Come on, baby. Come on. Big drop. Big drop. Give me a big drop. Come on. Stop playing around. Let's go. You just got to be patient, guys, and just let her do her thing. You know what I mean? She's going to breathe. We got a minute 10 left on this 5 minute. Minute 10 left on this 5 minute. Let's go. Let's continue to drop. Okay, obviously we're respecting that 36.075. We're respecting that 36.075. Okay, let's go down to this minute. Yeah, we're respecting that. I need a big drop. Come on, baby. Give me a big drop. 45 seconds left on this candle. $28 seconds left on this candle. We're just waiting for a drop, guys. That's it. We're just waiting for a drop. Trust your trade situation right there. Let's go. Come on, US30. Get down here. What are we doing? Let me see what we got here. What we have here. We're hitting that 200. We just broke that. Let's see. 43 seconds. Come on. Give me a drop. Damn. Let's go. I like the movement. I like the volatility. We're just doing some strange stuff right now. So 14 seconds left on this candle. Come on, I need a big drop, US30. Come on, baby. Damn, I don't want to go that way. All right, I got to make a decision on whether I'm going to get out here or not. There we go. Big drop. Come on. Keep coming. Come on. Trust your trade situation right here. Let's go. 2 minutes left on this candle. See what she does in these next 2 minutes. Okay, let's continue to drop. 3 seconds. Let's go. Let's continue to drop. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, see what happens this next minute. See what happens this next minute. So we got literally a minute 45 left on this candle. Minute 45 left on this candle. So let's see if we get through this minute here. Let's see if we continue to drop. Just looking for a big drop, guys. 1-0. We're 1-0 on the session so far. 1-0 on the session so far. Let's go. Big drop US30. Come on. 21 seconds left on this candle. All right, 54 seconds left on this 1 minute. We just opened up a new minute. Okay, we need a big drop. Come on, US30. 44 seconds left on this 5 minute. Let's see if we open up to the downside on this 5 minute. That's what I'm anticipating. Let's see. 37 seconds left. There we go. Come on, let's continue to fall. Let's continue to fall. Let's go. 29 seconds left. Go. Let's go. Big drop. Give me a big drop. Let's get as close to the 70 as we can. The 75. Come on, big drop. Give me a big drop in this last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. These buyers are attacking right now. We're just being patient, guys. Trust your trade situation right now. We're honestly we're right at 50 points. We're literally at 50 points. Come on, give me a big drop. Okay. So I'm about to get out of this trade. Give me 1 second here. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let me see what this 5 minutes doing real quick. See if this 5 minute drops. Because we might be taking some buys here in a second. We have 7 minutes left. So let's see what happens on this 15. Let's see what happens on this 15, okay? So I'm going to hold for the next 7 minutes and see what happens. If she continues to climb, then I will close my position. Seven minutes left on this candle. Let's see if she falls. Okay, because here's the deal: we are hitting that 200. So let's see if she respects that 200 on the 15. She's broken on the 5 and she's broken on the 1. Okay, so let's see what happens on here on this 15. If she respects this, if she respects this 200 and falls. All right, let's see. Okay, we got 6 minutes left on this candle. Come on, US30, big. Give me a big drop. Come on, stop playing around. Man. $38 seconds left on this candle. 14 seconds left on this candle here. Then we jump into our last 5-minute candle on our 15 and see what kind of movement we get. Do we continue to push down or does she climb? There we go. There we go. Okay, we're about 40 points outside of our entry. 40 points outside of our entry. Looks like kind of a trust your trade situation here. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's see if we make this big wick. Let's see if we make this huge wick here. If we wick out here, I believe that we're going to continue to fall. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Okay, that's what I'm paying attention to is this 15, okay? Three minutes left on this candle. Oh, she pulled up. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's get below 80. Let's get below 80. Come on. If we drop below that 36.075, man, that'd be amazing. 36.075 would definitely be a turning point for sure. So 20 points in the next 2 minutes. See if we do that. 36.075, 36.075. If we close below that on the 15, that's great. Because see, right now we have buyers, but then we also have sellers. Okay, this candle is pretty even. Okay, and the sellers are coming in heavy right now. The sellers are coming in heavy. She's wanting to climb, but the sellers are coming in heavy. And then obviously we have this momentum at the 830 candle. Okay, so we pulled back, did a little correction, and now the sellers are just taking over. Okay, so we got 2 minutes left on this candle. I want us to close. If we close below this 36.075, this was a trust your trade situation, and I feel good about the downside. All right, and again, guys, there's not a right or wrong. It's more of just really analyzing and seeing what we're looking at, and really making the best judgment as what we can and trying to find that wave. Because keep in mind, we're not moving. We're not going to be able to move this market. We have no move at all. All we're simply doing as retail traders is we're just trying to catch a wave that we can ride and get a bag. Okay, so we got a minute 41 left on this candle. She's obviously climbing back up. So let's just see what happens. We got a minute 36 left. Let's see if we make this wick to the top side. $56 seconds left on this 15. Let's see what happens. Come on, big drop. Give me a big drop, US30. Come on. I'm looking for you to continue to drop here. I'm looking for a drop. I'm looking for a drop. $35 seconds left. We're right at about 40 points. Literally, we're right at about 40 points. I think this is a trust your trade situation. I think I'm going to hold it. Just not a lot of movement, just not a lot of fast movement, actually. Just come back into our box. Let's see what she's really respecting here. Okay, on the hour, she's actually respecting this here. This 36.075. Let's see in the next 28 minutes if she falls here. Because look, over the last hour, okay, this is where she's opened up. She has not broken this yet. If she breaks up here, I believe that will continue to rise. But if in this next 28 minutes, if she falls below this 36.075, she opened up there last night and she hasn't been above there. She hasn't broke that. Okay, all last night, this morning. Okay, she tried and then she just boom. Okay, so this is a big zone. So let's look at something here. Let me Let's see. I mean, until she really climbs up here and makes a new high, like. I'm still standing. I have one trade open, guys. I'm still standing. But I am about to release. Just making that decision. In no way, shape, or form am I in any harm at all. Just kind of trying to figure out, do I trust my trade and hold it? Or, because again, I also feel like, let's see. Let's see. See what happens this next minute. She's respecting that 100 zone. She's respecting that 100 zone. Let's see. I'm just going to be patient. I'm just going to be patient and wait right now. Looking for something, an engulfing or something. So that was an engulfing candle. That took the momentum there. And then we got an engulfing to the upside. What did we say here? We got 36025. That's kind of our next entry. Absolutely, right after this break here. That's a good entry. Or 36050 after this 200. I'm going to change this up here. Look at that drop. Wow. Wow. Trust your trade situation. Like I said, we closed below this 36075. Great sign. 36075. We turn that corner. We round that corner. We're going to this next zone. Okay. 36075. We close below. Great sign. We're moving to the next zone. Come on. Big drop, US30. Give me a big drop. Come on. We're obviously respecting this 36100 on the higher time frame, which is 15 minutes. Okay. 36075. 36075 is an hour support. All right. Come on. Let's go. Minute 42. Let's go. Big drops. Let's go. Let's go. Big drop. Minute 16 left on this candle. Minute 16 left on this 15. Minute left on this candle. Come on, give me a big drop. Give me a 10-point drop. Come on, baby. 1 minute left. Come on, give me a big drop. Come on. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, it is. That's exactly what's happening. Okay. So if you look at what's happened is she had this big push up. So obviously she's going to correct some of it. Okay. She had this big push up. She's obviously going to correct some of it. And that's what we're doing now. All right. And so in the next 24 seconds, if we close below this 36.075, that's a great sign for me to hold my position. And let's ride. Let's go. Get down here. Come on. Okay, and if we look at what she's doing, okay, we look at this time frame, okay. She's literally moving sideways. Okay? After this huge climb, she's literally moving sideways. Okay? And like I said, she's either going to break through this here and get huge momentum, but again, she's not. Okay? So again, that's what I'm saying is like she's magnetically coming back to this 200, and like I said, 36.050 is I like that position, because if she breaks that, we're going to continue to fall. Okay. And this is a huge zone. Guys. Like, this is where she opened up yesterday. This is where she opened up. Okay. And look at this. She has not been above here. Okay. She did this, but then she had to correct. Then she came up, retested, boom. She retested this 200. Now she's continuing to fall. All right. So again, that's kind of how we have to read her. Okay, we have to look at it. Is she opened up here last night at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, and she traded below here. Finally this morning, boom, she broke through. Okay, but then she came all the way back down underneath it, broke this, hit this 200, and came back down. Okay, so she's obviously, this is a huge zone. This is a huge zone for her to break. Okay. Come on, mama. Big. Let's see what this 5 minutes doing. We got 2 minutes left on this candle here. So there's always going to be consolidation, and out of consolidation is a move. Okay. And again, the biggest thing, guys, is understanding that there's not a right or wrong. Okay. You can take this break. I just believe that she's going to continue to fall. Okay. Just because, again, like, she's correcting a lot of, if we go out to the 1 minute, if we go out to the day chart, look at this, guys. She's correcting. She's had big moves. It's time for her to kind of correct. Okay. Kind of come down, correct, make some corrections. So like literally she could possibly come down all the way to this 5-6. This is the next really level of support right here. Okay. So again, that's the thing, guys, is I don't just like, oh, let's just trade up and down. Let's just, I looked at that day chart and I said, she's correcting. She's making huge corrections right now to the market because she literally had huge climbs. So we're just correcting. Okay. And what we're simply doing is just trying to catch that wave of that correction. So again, we're retail traders. We are not big banks. We are not moving anything at all, okay? We're simply just trying to catch a wave and get in and out, jump in and out, jump in and out. That's all that we're trying to do, okay? We're not trying to do anything other than that, okay? So we're just trying to determine what is the wave, and let's jump in, and let's jump out, okay? Some people stay in longer on the wave than others, all right? And again, it's all strategy. It's all really, just trying to read the flow. Okay. There's not a right or wrong. Again, it's just taking the emotion out of it and, just being confident in your trades. I think that's one of the biggest things is obviously like, I'm not a technical trader. I would say people would say like my style is a little bit renegade-ish. I renegade a little bit, but at the end of the day, like I'm just trying to jump in a wave, and then I'm just trying to get out. You know what I mean? So again, I'm not trying to hold anything, and I'm not trying to be technical. Like I don't want to be technical, just due to the fact that again, it's when it becomes that, and I have to work at it, and I have to really get technical with it. I don't have any interest in that. Do you know what I mean? So again, like to really just naked eye, look at where the market's at, look what she's doing, make a decision and go with it. That's really kind of how I trade. It's just what I'm feeling right now, what I feel she's going to do, what I feel she's doing, and then just patience, being patient. Being patient, I probably tend to hold trades longer than I should, but at the end of the day, again, she moves in my direction, guys. Like I may hold a trade longer than what I should, but I'm telling you, like I don't lose. Do you know what I mean? And it all comes down to risk as well. I don't over leverage and I don't over risk. You know what I mean? So again, guys, like that's honestly like how I trade. You know what I mean? And you guys watch me do this. Like I don't tell you guys, I don't recommend to make a move that I don't make. Like everything that I tell you to do or that I'm saying to do is what I'm doing. You know what I mean? We're 1-0 for the session. I got one trade open, and literally I'm about 40 points on a pullback. Okay, but I'm not stressed and I'm not worried. All right, I trust my trade. I trust my gut. I trust what I'm doing. So we got 2 minutes left on this candle. Let's just see if she drops. Let's see if she drops. I like this 15. Okay, we're inside this box. Okay, I like this 36050. I like this 36050. If you would like to take a quick scalp, 36075 would kind of be another level. Okay, but again, she can bounce. She can bounce. All right, because obviously she's consolidating now on this 15-minute candle in between this 25 points here. Okay, so again, you just have to be patient, guys. You just have to be patient and just be patient and wait. But I really like this 36050. 36050 is an amazing area. Especially when we look on this 5-minute, because if she breaks that 36050, she's under this 200, and I honestly believe that we drop. Okay, so we got a minute left on this candle. We got 6 minutes left on this 15. Let's get below this 36075. Okay, we got 5 minutes left on this hour. This hour plays a significant role because she's been respecting this 36075 the last 2 hours. She respected it here. She made this big old climb. Okay, so that's 1363. Man, almost a 78-point drop. Geez, no, hold on 1 minute. 50, 100. 113-point drop to close below this 75 area. So if that's not a big zone, like I don't know what is. Do you know what I mean? Like that's a huge zone, guys. Like she literally fell 113 points and closed below this 36075. So we got 5 minutes left on this candle, and we're coming to that zone now. And if we close below it, like I said, great sign that we're going to continue to move to the bottom. We're going to continue to move to the downside. Okay, we got 5 minutes left on this candle. So I'm going to spend my time here on this hour candle, because this hour candle is really going to tell us what's about to happen. Okay, this hour candle, this next 4 minutes, is going to tell us, are we respecting that zone that she's respected for the last 2 hours, or are we going to climb? Okay, we got 4 minutes left. So let's see. Remember 28 minutes ago I said let's see what happens in the next 28 minutes? Okay, so let's see what happens in the next 4 minutes. We got 3 minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes, 36 seconds left on this candle. About 12 points above. 12 points above the 75 mark. Three minutes left on this candle. 3 minutes left on this candle. Three minutes left on this candle. Let's go. Come on, give me a big drop, US30. Give me a big drop. Come on. Stop playing games, baby. Come on, give me a big drop. Give me a big drop. Let's see. So what are we doing here? We're still in this box. We're still in this box. We're still consolidation. We haven't made a big move. We haven't made a big move. We're still waiting for that big move, guys. We're waiting for that big move. Waiting on that big move. Here we go. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left on this hour. Come on. Give me 10 minutes. Give me a 10-point drop. Come on, US30. Come on, give me a 10-point drop. Minute 25. Come on. Come on. What are we doing? Come on. Decisions. Look at this. Watch this. Watch how crazy this is. $45 seconds left. Come on. 45 seconds left. Come on. Big drop. I think she's gonna. I don't think she's gonna respect it, guys. We got some decisions to make. We got decisions. Let's see. 19 seconds left. That's interesting. Interesting. Let's see. Are we trying to get faked out? Is she trying to fake us out? She hasn't made a new high. Interesting. Again, we definitely don't want to get faked out. Okay, I'm just being patient. I'm just going to wait to see how this thing comes out. All right, guys, so we're just being patient right now. I'm not ready to make a move. I'm not ready to make a move. Something is telling me not to make a move yet. So I'm just being patient right now and just waiting. I just haven't seen a big enough move to the upside to like where I'm worried. Do you know what I mean? Especially after seeing this this more than 100 drop this morning. Do you know what I mean? Like, she's already been up there. All right, so that's a huge engulfing candle where she literally came all the way back down here, more than 100-point drop. And so obviously we're correcting some of that, but again, like I feel like once this correction's done, I believe that we're going to continue to fall. And that's just kind of what I'm feeling in my gut right now. And again, like, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. But again, there's not a right or wrong. It's simply just kind of where I'm at. Like, she hasn't made a big enough move to show me that she's continuing to climb. So we've been on the session now for an hour, guys. I'm 1-0 on the session. I'm 1-0 on the session. I'm literally just waiting to really figure out the move. I do have one trade open right now. Kind of a trust your trade situation, to be honest with you. All right, let's see something here. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm going to be getting out. So I get out. This is what I'm going to look for, guys. If I get out, I'm looking for her to come below this 100. And then that would be my next entry point, is that 100. So let's see if we can drop about 20 points and see how fast she drops. And then, like I said, my next entry would be 36,100 for a buy stop. All right, let's just be patient. I'm just being patient, guys. Five minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We got it engulfing on that 5 minute. Does that mean anything? Let's see. Oh, let's see what this 15 is going to do. Uh-oh. We're going to fall below this 200 on this 15. See what that means. See what we do. See if we respect this 100 in the next 4 minutes. Let's see. Let's see what happens if we continue to fall. Interesting. 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 Because on the 5 minute here, we got an engulfing. It's coming back into our box. Again, we still have not broke this high. We still have not broke this high. Interesting. Two minutes left on this candle. Let's see what happens. Interesting. Wow. So we're literally at 50 points if we opened up at 36050. Okay. We got 2 minutes left on this candle. This is a 15-minute candle. Wow. US30, you are something else, girl. You are something else. $36075. She breaks this here. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to say the least. So we got a minute 20 left on this candle. Minute 20 left on this candle. Let's see what happens. Let's go. See what happens. $50 seconds left on this candle. 50 seconds left on this candle. Wow. Trust your trade situation. Jesus. God is good. Wow. Wow. Jeez. Look at this, guys. Huge engulfing candle on the 15-minute. Huge engulfing candle on the 15-minute. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Hello, US 30. Hello. Welcome to US 30. Welcome to US 30, baby. Wow, wow, wow. Trust your trade situation. Wow, wow, wow. Hello. Wow. We are in profits. We are in profit. We are in profit. We are in profit. Here's the deal. I got 2 entries at 36025. 2 entries at 36025. We're in profit. Sell stop. If you took that sell stop, you should be in profit right now. So we're about to be 2-0. We're about to be 2-0. Let's go. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Let's go. Massive. Massive. Let's go. Trust your trade. Woo! Trust your trade situation. In the house. In the house. Trust your trade situation. US 30, my girl. Playing with people. Why are you playing my friends? Huh? US 30, why are you playing my friends? Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, like, again, that's why I trade US 30, because I just, again, how she moves. I know how she moves. Man, like, she keeps playing, man. She keeps playing. But that's why we love her. That's why we love US 30. So 36025 sell stop. 36025 sell stop. Get you 10 to 20 points. Okay. All right. 36025. No reason to be scared. No reason to be scared. No reason to be scared. We just gotta be confident. We gotta be confident. When you jump out the plane, you gotta be confident in your jump. There's no time to be afraid. You shouldn't have got on the plane if you're afraid. But no. Honestly, we can't be afraid. We have to be confident in what we're doing. And again, like I was confident, but it could still go a different direction. But at the end of the day, I'm okay with that as well. Do you know what I mean? So again, like just based off of what I saw, just based off the correction that I saw, guys, we are 2-0. I took a bag. So just based off of what I saw, looking at the day, okay, looking at the day and looking at what we're actually correcting, okay, and looking at these big green candles that we're correcting, okay, so again, like that's why I made the decision that I did. All right. That's why I made the decision that I did. And then obviously on this 15, we were so close to this 200 as well. And then we've been just on top of this 200. Okay, so again, and then we didn't break this high. We didn't break this high here. So when she was coming up here and she was kind of just falling, I was like, until she really breaks this, I'm not going to make a move. And so I didn't make a move, and we got a bag. So no, again, like there was just a lot that went into that, but also, again, that's just me watching and seeing US30 every day. Do you know what I mean? So, and then again, like when we go back to like when she opened, okay, let's go out to a higher time frame here. When we look at when she opened yesterday, okay, at 6 o'clock, she fell, okay, but then she finally broke this 36075. But keep in mind that there had been massive sellers in the market as a result of this 113 point drop. Okay. So there had been major sell-offs. And so these buyers coming in, they didn't do a whole lot. And again, like when you get a big massive candle like that, over 100 point drop, like she's going to retest, and you just got to wait for that. You just got to wait for that correction and that drop. You just got to wait for the confirmation of that drop. And that's exactly what this last candle was. It was literally confirmation of that big 100 point drop. That's what that was. And so our next move is 36025. 36025. And I have 2 entries set up there. So I'm actually going to take another entry at 36050, okay, and write it down to 30625. Okay, so I'm in right now. Little pullback of about 3 points. I'm in right now. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this candle. Let's look at this 15-minute candle, see where we're at. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this candle, 5 minutes left. Okay, let's break below this 36.50. We got an entry, 36.050. Let's complete some of this wick here. We had an engulfing on the 15 here. Okay, this is just momentum from that engulfing. All right. So again, we're getting ready to come in. We're about to be in profit right now. We're about to be in profit right now. We're about to be in profit right now. Okay. Here's the deal. Okay. We close below this last, we close below, oops, 36050. And I'm telling you, we continue to fall, guys. It's a huge zone. Look, respected it here, respected it here, respected it here. 30650 is a huge zone. Okay, we got 360, I'm sorry, 36025. 36025. 36025 is a huge zone. 36025 is a huge zone. Okay, we're about to be in profit. Okay, 20 seconds. Open up a new candle. Let's go. Come on, baby. Let's go the opposite direction. Okay, 10 seconds. Again, another little consolidation. We don't want to go that way. Here we go. So let's watch this bigger time frame here. We got 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left on this candle. Okay. We're about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. Two minutes, 28 seconds left on this candle. We are about to be in profit in 2 bars. Okay, 7 points away from our entry. 2 minutes left on this candle. Little pull up. We're okay. Okay. Obviously, on the 5-minute candle, we have a minute 52. Okay. So on this 15-minute, minute 52, 5-minute, minute 52. All right. This is also this half-hour candle. This is also this half-hour candle. Okay. So over the last half hour, we've been above this point. So we break below this point. Again, guys, we're breaking below the 200. We're going to continue to fall. We are now in profit. We are now in profit. We are now in profit. Let's go. Okay. So let's watch this half hour, because this half hour is more significant than even this 15-minute. Because look at what we've done over the last half hour. We've been above this section. So literally 1, that's an hour, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. We've been above this mark. Okay. We've been above this mark for the last 2.5 hours. All right. We're in profit. We are in profit right now. Okay, 37 seconds left. Let's go. Big drop US30. Come on. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Big drop. Come on. Let's continue to fall. Close below this 200. Close below 36.050. And we continue to fall. I'm not in profit. Okay. You should be in profit now. You should be in profit now. 36050, you should be in profit unless your broker's off. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have our stop loss at 36025, and I have 2 entries opening at 30625. Let's go. Let's go. You should be in profit. Annette, you're in profit. Annette, you are in profit. Annette James, you are in profit. Let's go. Again, guys, this is what she does. This is what she does. And if you can't handle this volatility, US30 is not for you. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. We got 4 minutes left on this candle. 4 minutes left on this candle. You could have taken that bag. That was about 13 points. But I don't want that 13-point bag. I want this 36025. I'm manifesting that. She's going to come down to this 36025. So I'm just going to hold my position. I'm not going to get out. I'm not going to get out. I'm going to manifest it. I'm going to stay in and I'm going to ride it. First 5 minutes of this 15. It's usually where we get the most momentum. It's usually where we get the most movement is in the first 5 minutes. I need a big drop, US30. Come on, mama. Give me a big drop. All right, guys, we've been on the session now for about an hour and 36 minutes. We're obviously still in the US-London crossover till about 11 a.m. Okay, so we're gonna still get movement here for the next half hour. All right, we're gonna get movement for the next half hour because we're obviously overlapping these two trading periods. Okay, we're overlapping these two trading periods. All right. So again, I'm okay. We got about maybe about 20 minutes left on this session. In 20 minutes, we should be done. In 20 minutes, I truly believe, okay, that we will be down to this 3600. Okay, and that's what I'm looking at. Is I'm looking at bagging about 50 more points in this session, and we will be done. Okay, we're gonna get out of this trade here, 36050. Okay, then we have 2 more trades literally opening up. We're going to take those down to 36,000, and we're done with this session. Okay. So we are 3-0 right now. Let me make this change here. Okay, so here's the deal. You can actually set up, if you don't have a 36050 set up, great entry. Okay, we're just obviously pulling back. We're about to be in profit right now. We're about 9 points outside of that. Okay, I did not put it here as a sell stop, but again, my sell stop is set up at 36025. I'm actually in one trade right now at 36050. Okay, we're just waiting for her to drop. Okay, she's obviously below. She's below the 200 on the 5 minute. She's below on the 15. On the 1 minute, we're below as well. Okay, so again, we're just waiting for a drop, guys. We're just waiting for a drop. Okay. We had a huge drop. We were actually up here at we had about a what is that, a 50-point drop. We had about a 50-point drop. Okay, we're about to be in profit. Okay, I'm about to be in profit. Computer's lagging. Actually, no, we're good. The computer and the phone are about 2-point difference. Okay, we got 4 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. 4 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. This last 5 minutes, we have this huge wick. Okay, we have these sellers coming in. We have this huge wick to the top side. Okay. We have this engulfing. We have this engulfing here, momentum, and we're going to continue to drop. 7 points outside of our entry. Okay, we're about to be in profit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go, US30. Come on, give me a big drop. Give me a big drop. Come on, let's go. Three minutes, 15 seconds left on this candle. Come on, US30. Give me a big drop. There we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's keep moving down. Yes, sir. Let's just stay on this 5 minute. Okay, let's just stay on this 5 minute. We're about to be in profit right now. Look at those 2 wicks to the top side. That's amazing. That's a huge selling. That means that sellers are in this market. We are about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. We're about to be in profit. We just need a big drop. I need about a 25-point drop. Get us in, pick us up, and then we're gonna go ahead and finish this thing out. We're gonna go ahead and finish this thing out. The home stretch. The home stretch. There we go. We're in profit. We're in profit right now. We have 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. Okay, let's watch this 15. Okay, we have. Let's finish this 5 minute first. So we're in profit. We got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. We are in profit right now. Okay, we got 2 minutes left on this 5 minute. We're in profit. Riding the momentum of this engulfing, this next candle, and then obviously this large wick. Okay, we got 6 minutes 31 seconds left on that candle. We got 1:27 left on this candle here. Okay, so I need a big push to the downside. After this 5 minute, we're going to switch over to the 15, and we're going to watch that 15 pay out. Okay, we got 1:14 left on this candle. 1:14 left on this candle. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop, US30. Big drop, US30. Come on. Okay, we got some natural gas storage news right now. I don't know the impact that's going to have, but let's see what happens here. Boom, let's go. 36050. We're about to be in profit. 42 seconds left on this candle. We are in profit. We are in profit. 20 seconds left on this 5 minute candle. Come on, US30. You're playing with us. Okay, and then we got 5 minutes left on this 15, and we're going to watch this thing pan out. All right, we got 5 minutes left on this 15. I need a big drop. Oh, disgusting. So we got 20 points outside of our profit, outside of our entry. We got 5 minutes left on this candle. We're going to go ahead and make a big wick here. let's watch this 15. Let's watch this 15. I'm going to be patient on this 15. Three minutes left on this 15-minute candle. 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Two minutes left on this 15. 2 minutes left on this 15. Come on, US30. Two minutes left on this 15. Let's go. Big drops now. Big drops. Let's look at this 1 minute. See what this 1 minute does. See if this minute gives us a big drop. Okay, there we go. There we go. We got a minute 33. See what this 33 seconds does on this minute. See if we continue to fall. Then we have 1 more minute. We have 1 more minute on this 15. All right, let's see if we fall, see what we do here. Come on. $30 points outside of our entry. 30 points outside of our entry. 18 seconds left on this candle. We're inside our box. Four seconds left on this candle. Okay, this next 15 minutes, I will be done with this session, guys. I will be done with this session after this 15-minute candle. Okay, after this 15-minute candle, I will be done with this session. This is also the half-hour candle. So let's see where this half-hour finished below. Okay. So we got 13 minutes left in this candle. All right, let's see what this half-hour candle does. We got 12 minutes left on this candle. See if we get this big drop in the next 12 minutes. There we go. Let's go. Let's continue to drop. Come on. All right, we got 9 minutes left on this candle, guys. We're just being patient. I'm just being patient. She's just kind of up and down right here. There we go. It's a good move. Eight minutes, 50 seconds left on this candle. There we go. Let's go. Again, like I said, these halfway points are momentum. Usually when they break below this momentum, they're usually going to continue to fall. Okay, look. Below, boom. Below, boom. To the next zone. So again, if we can break below this 36075, we're most likely going to continue to fall. Okay? We're most likely going to continue to fall. And again, look what's happened here. Boom. Fall. Boom. Fall. All right. So again, we're about 23 points outside of our entry. We are about to be in profit. .77 minutes left on this 30-minute candle. And the reason why we're watching the 30-minute is the 30-minute, the 15, and the 5. The 15-minute and the 30-minute are again, this 15's inside this 30. Okay, so if you look at what's happened on this 15, we have a huge candle here on this 15. Okay, we have a huge candle on this 15. If we can engulf this, which it looks like it could possibly do that if it comes all the way down here, again, huge momentum. We had an engulfing here. We had huge momentum. Okay, so let's see what happens in the next 7 minutes. Five minutes left on this candle. Four minutes, 45 seconds left on this candle. All right, let's go. Big drop, US30. Come on, let's go. Big drop. We need a big drop. Come on. Four minutes left on this candle. Come on, 4 minutes left on this candle. Look at this 15-minute candle, guys. Like, just so small. Like, just not a whole lot of volume right now. We need a drop, though, in the next 3 minutes, 48 seconds. We need a big drop. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Big drop. Big drop. 3 minutes, 31 seconds left on this candle. We in it. We in it. We in it. We in it. You see how we tap off that 36,100? We tapped off of it and literally dropped. So let's see if we continue to drop off of that 36,100. We got a minute 20 left off this candle. Let's pull this down a little bit. Come on, I need a big drop from you. $50-point pullback. Man, these 50-point pullbacks. Like, come on, let's go, baby. Shoot. Let's go, mama. Trust your trade situation again? Man. All right, guys, we are done with this session. I definitely thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. I'm obviously not done with this trade, but again, I'm done with this session. And again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I'm going to sit in this trade and obviously make a decision whether or not we're going to get out. But as of right now, I'm okay. We're going to make a decision as far as what we do next. So again, thank you guys so much. Have an amazing, amazing, amazing day. I will see you guys on Monday. Okay, on Monday. So again, thank you guys again. I will see you at the top because the bottom's too crowded. We don't look down on anyone unless we're going to reach down and we're going to lift them up. And again, believing that you can is more profitable than believing that you can't. God bless. Have an amazing day. And we will see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.